guys, it's Jack from BMX and I'm doing a bike check. It's just a standard With the People BMX. It's With the People Arcade, the first proper BMX, so I haven't done any like customization to it. But basically I've got 4 pegs. Frame is 20.5 inch length. Bars 8.5 rise. Yeah, it's funny, most of the things in there are salt. It's got 26 teeth on the front sprocket. It's got 9 teeth on the drivetrain, whatever you call it. Yeah, that's about it. I'm getting new pedals for it on Monday because these are a pile of crap. Keep coming loose. But yeah, that's basically it. I've had about 5 inner tubes in the front wheel because, you know, and I've had about 3 or 4 in the back because, you know, glass hates me. And yeah, that's basically it for my bike.
Isaac from BMX, and this is my scavenger custom BMX built myself. This is my bike. At the front here I have the United Supreme bars, 9-inch rise with extra long neck grips, ODI. I have the firmer front load stem. I have a BSD Waza headset in blue. I then have the United KL40 forks. Had them with the bike when it came. I have the Eclat Bible CV Churchill signature tyres. I have an Alienation rim. Then it goes on to my frame. I have a scavenger frame, the De La Rosa signature, with a cult sticker put on. Then with my seat, I got an Eclat seat off my mate Harry. I got the United signature pedals, but I can't remember who they were. I have United KL40 cranks. Then I go on to the sprocket, which is a Eastern sprocket. Can't remember how many teeth it has, but
does it say on there?
No, doesn't say on there. Got it off Jack from BMX cousin Jamie. Then I also got a chain off Jack's cousin Jamie.
Manager of Brook Cycles.
Yeah.
Good shop.
Yeah.
Bike shop.
Yeah. Then it goes on to a Harrow hub with Harrow spokes, but an Alienation back rim. And I have 2 pegs on the left, which I can't remember, but I got them off my mate Harry.
Again.
Yeah, again, because he's a good bikes person. Then, yeah, overall, had this for just over a year, but most of the parts are new. Seat post came with the bike, with the frame, but I wasn't happy with it because I liked my old one. But yeah, that's my bike.